Welcome back to the channel, and a very special welcome to all the bloggers, entrepreneurs, and business owners who are joining us for the first time. If you've been thinking about launching your website and you're considering Hostinger as your hosting provider, then you've landed in exactly the right place because today I'm going to walk you through how to get the best possible discount on any Hostinger plan. Now, before we dive in, let me quickly break down the two discount options I have for you. The first option is my exclusive hosting or referral link, which gives you a straight up 20% discount on any hosting plan or service automatically, no code needed. The second option is the coupon code HI10, which gets you a 10% discount at checkout. Both are valid, but if you're looking to save the most money, the referral link is clearly the better deal. The choice is yours, but I'd highly recommend going with the 20% option. So, how do you grab that 20% discount? It's simple. Head down to the description box below this video where I've listed my referral link in multiple languages and local currencies organized for different countries. So no matter where you're watching from, you can find your region and jump directly to the Hostinger website in your local language. Once you land on the Hostinger website, make your way to the navigation bar at the top and click on Products and Services. This will open up a full listing of everything Hostinger has to offer, from shared hosting to cloud plans and beyond. My 20% referral discount applies across all of their hosting plans and services. So you're completely covered regardless of which plan suits your needs. For the purpose of this walkthrough, I'll be selecting web hosting. Go ahead and click on that. You'll then see all the available web hosting tiers laid out in front of you. For this demonstration, I'm going with the business web hosting plan, which is a fantastic option for anyone running a growing website or online business. Now here's the best part. Once you proceed to the checkout page, you'll notice that the 20% discount has already been applied automatically. No need to copy paste any code or jump through any hoops. That's the beauty of using the referral link. Just sit back and enjoy the savings. One crucial tip before you complete your purchase: always make sure you're signing up with a brand new email address that has never been registered with Hostinger before. Like the video and subscribe the channel.